Can't have enough too many hammers. Hello, back to the shop. Ian again. This was one of those infrared heat lamps. Thrown away, broken bulb. Or lamp. I'm told a bulb is something that you plant in the ground. Electrician calls them lamps. This one, well, besides a broken bulb, has a hole in it. I thought I'd fix it. And when you find out that a brand new one is literally just £1 or £2 more for buying a complete unit, ends up becoming scrap. What sort of throwaway society have we become? Well, anyway, this is about Josh's tale. Josh, young lad, cottoned onto my channel. Quite pleased at that, because it's only been going 3 or 4 weeks. And yet again, it's these flap discs. He cottoned on that we throw them away and said he'd have some if he didn't mind. I think I mentioned in my last video the 3.5 questions where I never got round to answering the full 7 questions. Never got round to answering why I was on YouTube. Well, we've missed a point on that. No point revisiting it. Yeah, come along. Have as many as you want. Struck up a conversation. He said to text, messenger. I'll try and include it here. It's nice when you have access to materials, tools that other people don't have, and it costs you nothing. Well, why not? So I saw his text. I said I might be able to help you. And well, this is Josh's tale. The cost of helping a fellow human being. Right there in the corner, you see there, behind the upright, white plastic pipe, side of the electric box. And if I zoom in right down to the floor, there, maybe point it out with something. Is the bottom of what I'm after. It goes from there all the way to the back and rises up to about there. I'll dig it out, show you what it is. Well, it took a little bit of uncovering, but finally we got her out. Well, once we got her out, we've uncovered her. It was after making an anvil. I've had that a couple of years. Never got around to do anything with it. So it's time it went to a home where it will be put to the use I got it for. I said I'll cut it up. I said I'll somehow make the hardy hole for him. Why not?
Well, Joss, I think we've got a little bit of a problem here. Okay, I think that is definitely what you're after. And that hole is 25mm square like you requested. You wanted another one. Well, I had a spare piece left over. However, as you can see here, not showing very well, but there is a pronounced bowl to this piece. Well, that meant I'm going to try to drill it at work with a mag drill. It was off centre and it caught. And this one I had to have a go with the plasma and butchered it a little, really, to be honest. Well, we got it square. And our job next is having to file that. Now, what you need, and what I suggest, is you get one of these. What should I say? Ideally, you get one of these. But these are an expensive piece of kit. I borrowed that from work tonight to do this job. Mine, Black & Decker, found in a skip. The speed controller had broken, it didn't work, so I shorted the speed controller out. I've got one speed and that's it, but it does work. I think they're about £29 in Aldi, so Josh, go and get yourself one, save yourself a lot of work on that filing. Right, let's see this in action. Well, as you know, I'm a little paranoid about my eyes, so I was on with the protection. Typical problem with these, the belt's always coming off. Okay, well, there you go, Josh. That was not too bad. That was a little bit ropey and needs a lot of work. Well, yeah, we've got two striking anvils there.
I like watching people make knives. It's making something. I was going to make a forge myself out of a brake drum. Make an anvil. Like I said, the neighbours will be now well happy I haven't. But going back to Josh, I'd actually seen a couple of his videos, and it's I suppose you all must do it. You get a message from someone new, you click on, you look at, have they got a channel? What do they do? Well, I did the same thing. Josh was there, JR Metalworks. And I thought, yeah, I've watched a few of his videos, and you think, and he's watching mine. So, small world. Yes, what I've done, what's he done? 3 hours of my time. I've mentioned in other videos, in years past, people have given me lots of their time for nothing. Well, now I'm old enough, wise enough, I can give something back to people. Yeah, that's probably the real reason I'm now on YouTube. Good night, YouTube.